you know his name is Postman Pat. Kind of clear, but yeah, dude.
Unemployed Pat. Hi girl. Hello. Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this?
You and I.
The guitar? Did you play the guitar?
Oh.
Mom?
Yeah, I wish I had a guitar playing right now. Red light. It's green light. Green light!
Oh my god. It's windy. No, yeah, you... We have to wait till someone's like really close walking on the street.
Red light!
I want to scream skeg, man.
Turn!
Tell next person to see scream skeg. I'll scream out with you. Are you gonna say skeg for fucking skeg? Skeg! Fucking skeg! You'll scream out.
That's big!
Fucking fuckers. No one eats supper, okay? I need at least one person. Oh my god, and they're on your side, right?
Where?
Oh, there's people. Oh my god! But it's no man.